Neurophysiology MCQ Practice Bank. Question number 1. What is the resting membrane potential of a typical neuron? Minus 40 millivolt, minus 70 millivolt, minus 90 millivolt, minus 55 millivolt. The correct answer is minus 70 millivolt. Question number 2. Which ion is primarily responsible for the rising phase of the action potential? Potassium ion, chloride ion, sodium ion, calcium ions. The correct answer is sodium ions. The refractory period during which no new action potential can be generated is called relative refractory period, absolute refractory period, hyperpolarization, depolarization phase. The correct answer is absolute refractory period. Question number 4. What is the main neurotransmitter at the neuromuscular junction? Dopamine, GABA, acetylcholine, serotonin. The correct answer is acetylcholine. Question number 5. Which part of the neuron receives incoming signals? Axon, myelin sheath, soma, dendrites. The correct answer is dendrites. Question number 6. Saltatory conduction occurs in neurons that are unmyelinated, myelinated, inhibitory, sensory only. The correct answer is myelinated. Question number 7. GABA is primarily a dash neurotransmitter. It's an excitatory, modulatory, inhibitory, or both excitatory or modulatory. The correct answer is inhibitory. The nodes of Renier are gaps in the axon hillock, myelin sheath, soma, or synapse. The correct answer is myelin sheath. Which type of synapse uses electrical signals to transmit information? Chemical synapse, gap junction, neuromuscular junction, or exosomatic synapse? The correct answer is gap junction. Which receptor type directly opens an ion channel upon ligand binding? G protein coupled receptors, nuclear receptor, inotropic receptor, or metabotropic receptor? The correct answer is inotropic receptor. Question number 11. The myelin sheath in the central nervous system is produced by Schwann cells, microglia, oligodendrocytes, or astrocytes. The correct answer is oligodendrocytes. Question number 12. The myelin sheath in the peripheral nervous system is produced by oligodendrocytes, astrocytes, Schwann cells, or ependymal cells. The correct answer is Schwann cells. All or none principle states that action potential size varies, action potential is graded, action potential is either fully generated or not at all. Only large stimuli produce action potentials. The correct answer is action potential is either fully generated or not at all. Question number 14. What determines the frequency of action potentials? Amplitude of stimulus, duration of hyperpolarization, intensity of stimulus, myelin thickness. The correct answer is intensity of stimulus. Question number 15. Which phase of the action potential involves potassium efflux? Depolarization, repolarization, resting state, threshold. The correct answer is repolarization. Question number 16. The threshold potential for a typical neuron is approximately minus 90 millivolt, minus 70 millivolt, minus 55 millivolt, 0 millivolt. The correct answer is minus 55 millivolt. Question number 17. EPSP stands for excitatory postsynaptic potential, external presynaptic potential, excitatory presynaptic potential, external postsynaptic potential. The correct answer is excitatory postsynaptic potential. Question number 18. IPSP inhibitory postsynaptic potential. It's mean inhibitory postsynaptic potential IPSP hyperpolarizes the postsynaptic membrane by primarily opening sodium channels, calcium channels, potassium or chloride channels, voltage gated sodium channels. The correct answer is potassium or chloride channels. Question number 19. Summation of excitatory postsynaptic potentials from multiple synapses simultaneously is called temporal summation, spatial summation, convergence or divergence. The correct answer is spatial summation. Question number 20. Temporal summation occurs when multiple neurons fire at once, rapid successive stimulus from one synapse summate, two neurons inhibit each other, action potentials cancel out. The correct answer is rapid successive stimuli from one synapse summate. Question number 21. Which brain structure is primarily involved in memory consolidation? Cerebellum, amygdala, hippocampus, or thalamus? The correct answer is hippocampus. The blood-brain barrier is mainly formed by microglia, neurons, tight junctions of endothelial cells, or pia mater. The correct answer is tight junctions of endothelial cells. Long-term potential is associated with which receptor? AMPA, GABA-A, NMDA, nicotine, ACH. The correct answer is NMDA. Question number 24. Which neurotransmitter is deficient in Parkinson's disease? Serotonin, acetylcholine, dopamine, or GABA? The correct answer is dopamine. The cerebellum is primarily responsible for memory, vision, motor coordination, or language. The correct answer is motor coordination. Question 26. Which lobe of the brain is responsible for vision? Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, or temporal lobe? The correct answer is occipital lobe. Question 27. Which lobe process auditory information? Occipital, frontal, parietal, or temporal? The correct answer is temporal. The primary motor cortex is located in the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, or temporal lobe. The correct answer is frontal lobe. The primary somatosensory cortex is located in the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, insular cortex. The correct answer is parietal lobe. Question 30. Which neuroglia cells act as the brain's immune cell? Astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, microglia, or ependymal cells? The correct answer is microglia. Question 31. Cerebrospinal fluid is produced by astrocytes, choroid plexus, ependymal cells of cerebellum, dura mater. The correct answer is choroid plexus. Question 32. The autonomic nervous system's fight or flight response is mediated by parasympathetic division, somatic nervous system, sympathetic division, enteric division? The correct answer is sympathetic division. Question 33. Which cranial nerve is responsible for the sense of smell? Cranial nerve number 2, cranial nerve number 7, cranial nerve number 1, which is also called olfactory, cranial nerve number 5. The correct answer is cranial nerve number 1, olfactory. Question 34. The optic nerve is cranial nerve 1, 3, 2 or 4. The correct answer is 2. Broca's area is involved in speech comprehension, vision processing, speech production, hearing. The correct answer is speech production. Question 36. Wernicke's area is involved in motor control, language comprehension, speech production, memory. The correct answer is language comprehension. Question 37. Action potentials travel along the axon in which direction? Bidirectional, anterograde only, retrograde only, from axon terminal to soma. The correct answer is bidirectional. Question 38. Depolarization occurs when the inside of the cell becomes more negative, more positive, unchanged, equal to outside. The correct answer is more positive. Question 39. The synapse between two neurons typically involves direct contact, electrical coupling only, a synaptic cleft, nuclear transfer. The correct answer is a synaptic cleft. Question 40. Which neurotransmitter is most associated with mood and depression? Dopamine, GABA, serotonin, or glutamate? The correct answer is serotonin. Question 41. The hypothalamus primarily controls balance, homeostasis and autonomic functions, voluntary movement, complex thinking. The correct answer is homeostasis and autonomic functions. Question 42. What maintains the resting potential of a neuron? Sodium-potassium ATPase pump, calcium pump, GABA receptors, myelin sheath. The correct answer is sodium-potassium ATPase pump. Question 43. The limbic system is primarily associated with vision, motor control, emotions and memory, auditory processing. The correct answer is emotions and memory. Question 44. Axonal transport from cell body to terminal is called retrograde transport, saltatory transport, anterograde transport, lateral transport. The correct answer is anterograde transport. Question 45. Which brain structure acts as a relay station for sensory signals? Hypothalamus, thalamus, amygdala, or basal ganglia? The correct answer is thalamus. Question 46. The basal ganglia are important for sensory processing, initiation and control of voluntary movement, memory storage, autonomic control. The correct answer is initiation and control of voluntary movement. Which ion flows in during the overshoot phase of action potential? Potassium, chloride ions, sodium ions, or calcium ions? The correct answer is sodium ions. Presynaptic inhibition decreases neurotransmitter release by blocking postsynaptic receptors, hyperpolarizing the presynaptic terminal, destroying vesicles, opening sodium channels. The correct answer is hyperpolarizing the presynaptic terminal. Question 49. Which EEG wave is associated with deep sleep? Alpha waves, beta waves, delta waves, theta waves. The correct answer is delta waves. Question 50. The pain pathway primarily uses which neurotransmitter for modulation? GABA, endorphins or enkephalins, glutamate or acetylcholine? The correct answer is endorphins or enkephalins. Thank you.